If you can't see through your foggy windshield but still need to drive, then it's time to fix that defroster. Hey there, F150 owners. If your defroster isn't working, don't worry. We've got a simple guide to get it back in action. Step 1. Check your climate control settings. Make sure it's set to defrost mode and the fan speed is up. Sometimes it's as easy as flipping a switch. Step 2. Check for any blown fuses. Locate your fuse box, find the fuse for the defroster and see if it's blown. If it is, replace it with a new one. Step 3. Inspect the defroster hoses. These hoses deliver air to your windshield. If they're disconnected or damaged, your defroster won't work properly. Reconnect or replace any faulty hoses. Step 4. Test the defroster motor. Turn on your defroster and listen for the motor. If you don't hear anything, the motor might be the issue. You may need a professional to help replace it. Lastly, step 5. Check the thermostat. If it's not regulating the temperature correctly, your defroster may struggle. A malfunctioning thermostat can cause other issues too, so get it checked out. And there you have it. Follow these steps and your Ford F150 defroster should be back in business. Stay safe out there and keep those windshields clear. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips.